Hello students, now we will discuss about the unbalanced forces. What are unbalanced forces? If the resultant of all the forces acting on a body is not zero, the forces are called unbalanced forces. Resultant means now you know sum of all the forces. How many forces are acting on any body? If the sum of all those forces is not zero, if zero then balanced forces, if not zero then unbalanced forces. See here, suppose last which example we have taken, suppose this is a table. Now who is pulling to this table from this side? Suppose this is a student of 9th standard, and this side which student is pulling, that is a student of 2nd standard. So there will be a difference between the forces of both the student. Suppose this student is applying 30 Newton force and this student is applying 10 Newton force. So now resultant find. Resultant is sum of both forces. This is 30 Newton plus this opposite direction 10 Newton. So 30 minus 10, 20 Newton came. It means here resultant not came zero. So when resultant is not zero, those are called unbalanced forces. See one more example. Suppose this is a toy car. This is a car, toy car with which small babies are playing. So car is kept on the ground. So one force acting downward. Which force acting downward? That is force of gravity. This is the force of gravity acting downward. And one more force is there, we know, which is acting upward. Earth is applying this force in upward direction, that is called force of reaction. Earth is applying this force on a body, so that is called force of reaction in upward direction. So these both forces are in equal amount. Suppose if this is 20 Newton, this is also 20 Newton, they both will cancel each other. But here which force of friction is there? Force of friction and force of our push. Suppose we are pushing to this car. So force of our push. Here force of friction is less and force of our push is greater. So these both will not cancel each other. So this car will start moving. Resultant how we will find? You all know how we will find now resultant? Sum of all the forces. So this is 20 Newton in opposite direction, minus 20 Newton. Suppose this is 10 Newton and this is 20 Newton. So force of friction is 10, force of our push is minus 20. So these both will cancel each other. This came minus 10 Newton. So resultant came minus 10 Newton, means not came 0. It means we can say that resultant of all the forces is not 0. So these are unbalanced forces acting on this body. So if unbalanced forces are acting on a body, then which body is in a rest position? It will come in a motion. If any body is already moving, it can come in a rest, and we can change the shape we can change the speed of the body, we can change the direction of the body with the help of the unbalanced forces. You can see here, suppose in a tug of war, if one team, this team suddenly release a rope, if they will release a rope, it means they will not apply any force, but they were applying the force. So they will, this side it means force is greater, this side force is less. If they will release a rope, this side force will less, but this side force will greater, and then rope will go in this direction. It means here unbalanced forces are acting. And if unbalanced forces are not present, then here force of friction is not there between the ground and these bodies, then no body will stop which is moving. So unbalanced forces are very necessary in our life to stop a body If any body is moving, to stop that body, unbalanced forces are required. If any body is in a rest position, to move that body, unbalanced forces are required. So these are the unbalanced forces.